inside the Central Park, and
This is a spectacular view of the city.
the buildings. Oh my God! Huge. Imagine this area and beside this building. This Central Park is a lush green area inside the New York City. Central.
Can you live in the New York City in the mid of the peaceful and green area? So large.
People said that Central Park is an amazing gift of New York, which is truly so. So, can you imagine that amongst the highest level of urbanization, a huge forest kind of area, which is which is a park, but it's so peaceful. Always the bird chirping and so silent, so peaceful that you even will not feel to talk. You will just feel the nature and probably walk for a long time just to smell the air, the green, see the green, and just feel the nature. Nothing else.
Hello. দেখ গাছে কি হয়ে আছে, আরে উপরে আপেল ওগুলো।
look, there's a cup. Use it now. Then we're going to stop. Use it now.
What a resume.
All right. What? Taxi? No. Thank you.
what I have found after coming in this city? I have found that somehow this city gives us the enough opportunity or enough liberty, or what do I say? I don't know, but enough chance to lead a life the way you want to live. Like if you want to live in solace, you can live that. Or if you want to lead a hip hop life, of course you can do that. It's a Manhattan, so there is 100 of options to live a pop life. So you can get that. If you want to lead a reader's life, you can get that. There is a number of book reading library. There is a number of good places where you can find a very old and classic book that you rarely found in many other cities. So those kind of very rare collection even you can get here. One day I have a plan to cover that too. So there's a so diverse, so versatile this city is, that there is no other way to fall in love with this city. And I am a kind of person wherever I live, and I love that place. But yes, and this time also I am in love this place, and this really making me astonished that inside this much urbanization, this much advance, this is inside the city of New York, you can get such a peaceful, such a green large area. And probably not only New York City, but in any other city. What I feel that probably it doesn't matter that the place, the environment, nothing matters, but probably the way we want to lead our life, probably we can make that. There is a way, just we need to find out. I think so. By the way, Central Park is huge, and we have covered probably only 0.1%. I guess so. I don't know. Even till yet, I didn't cover the full Central Park yet. So we are yet to cover, and we'll bring all those episodes here. And today I'm not going to give all the statistics, how big it is, how much acre, and all the history. I just want to. Just like that, I just want to roam. So I'm just skipping all this part today. Stay tuned. I'll be back soon.